This crazy bird has been trying to get in my house for the past few hours. It gets up on the windowsill, it's banging on the bedroom window, and it's banging on the bathroom window. It's a shrike. They're really pretty, but they're kind of nasty because they kill and eat other little birds. And this one's nuts. Okay, why do you want to come in the bathroom? Huh, crazy bird? I might be a little nuts. Sometimes I think animals are messengers. So I'm trying to figure out what this bird is doing. I bet if I open the window it would fly right in. What you want? What you want, crazy bird?